In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Ssemble subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to view your plan and access the cancel option, all in just a few clicks. Start by logging into Ssemble. Use the same credentials you normally use, and make sure you're signing in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. A stable internet connection helps the page load quickly, and it ensures you see the most up-to-date billing information tied to your profile. Once you're signed in, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile. This is typically your avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. Clicking it opens your account menu. If you're on a smaller screen, the same menu may appear behind a compact icon or a collapsible header, but it will still be in that top right area. Take a moment to let the drop-down fully open so you can see all available options. From that menu, choose My Subscriptions. This takes you to your subscription or billing page. Give the page a second to load. It usually displays your current plan details clearly, including the plan name and in many cases the renewal or billing period. This is a good place to double check what you're currently paying for and when your next charge might occur. It's also where you can confirm whether you're on a trial, a monthly plan, or an annual plan. On this page, you'll see your current plan and the option to cancel. The cancel button or link is typically easy to find, and it lives right alongside your plan summary. When you select it, you may see helpful information about how cancellation works for your plan, such as whether access continues until the end of your billing cycle or ends immediately for trials. Read any on-screen notes carefully so you know what to expect after you cancel, including when future billing stops and how your access might change. If you have ongoing projects, it's a good idea to review how cancellation could affect editing or exporting after your plan ends, and consider any important deadlines before you proceed. That's all there is to it. You log in, click your profile in the upper right, open My Subscriptions, and there you'll find your current plan and the cancel option. If the interface ever looks a little different due to updates, the same controls are usually found under your account or billing sections. Take a moment to review the details on the page, then use the cancel option when you're ready.